Hello viewers, hope everyone is fine. Welcome back to another video. Today's video title is Unable to Connect. Print preview is not available because Microsoft Office Word PowerPoint couldn't connect to the selected printer. Are you getting the error? Print preview is not available because Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint couldn't connect to the selected printer in Microsoft Office. This video will show you how to fix the problem step by step. In this tutorial, you will learn possible solution for the unable to connect printer error, restarting the Print Spooler service, and setting registry. Watch the full video and follow the steps to solve the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint print preview not available problems quickly and easily. First step, we will right click on this PC, manage and service and applications. Service, we will find out Print Spooler, double click, stop first, then we will start it. Then restart the computer. If the problem is not solved, you will follow the second step. We will go search option and right here regedit. We will go registry editor. Yes. Machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, Windows, and right click, permission, system, and double click deny. Apply and OK. Then you will restart the computer and you will get the result. If this video helps you, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more computer and printer troubleshooting video. Thank you.